Unlock your gut's potential. Natural strategies for optimal health. Are you tired of digestive discomfort? Do you want to boost your overall well-being? Then, join us as we explore natural and effective ways to nurture your gut and unlock its incredible potential. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome. This complex ecosystem plays a vital role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for optimal health. When the balance is disrupted, it can lead to various health issues, including bloating, gas, constipation, and even chronic diseases. Fiber is a superstar nutrient for gut health. It acts as food for beneficial gut bacteria, promoting their growth and diversity. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes in your diet. These foods are packed with fiber and other essential nutrients that support a healthy gut. Aim for at least 25-30 grams of fiber per day. Gradually increase your fiber intake to avoid digestive discomfort. Probiotics are live microorganisms that can benefit your gut health. They help to restore balance to the gut microbiome and improve digestion. You can find probiotics in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. Choose products with live and active cultures for maximum benefit. Probiotic supplements are also available. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine the right type and dosage for you. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that act as food for probiotics. They help to nourish and support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Good sources of prebiotics include garlic, onions, asparagus, bananas, and oats. Incorporate these foods into your daily diet to fuel your gut's good bacteria. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, including gut health. Water helps to keep things moving smoothly through your digestive system. Dehydration can lead to constipation and other digestive issues. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Stress can have a significant impact on your gut health. It can disrupt the balance of the gut microbiome and lead to digestive problems. Practice stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. These activities can help to calm your mind and soothe your gut. Regular exercise is beneficial for both physical and mental health, and it can also improve gut health. Exercise helps to stimulate digestion and reduce inflammation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Find an activity that you enjoy and that fits into your lifestyle. Processed foods and sugary drinks can negatively impact your gut health. They can feed harmful bacteria and contribute to inflammation. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and artificial sweeteners. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods that nourish your gut. Sleep is essential for overall health, including gut health. Lack of sleep can disrupt the balance of the gut microbiome and lead to digestive problems. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep per night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. Pay attention to how different foods and lifestyle factors affect your gut. Everyone's gut is unique, so what works for one person may not work for another. Keep a food journal to track your symptoms and identify potential triggers. Consult with a healthcare professional if you have persistent digestive issues. Maintaining gut health naturally is a journey, not a destination. By incorporating these strategies into your daily life, you can nurture your gut and unlock its incredible potential for optimal health and well-being. Ready to take control of your gut health? Start today by incorporating these tips into your daily routine. Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on health and wellness. Share this video with your friends and family who are looking to improve their gut health. And leave a comment below sharing your favorite gut healthy tips.